Side wheel. To remove the side wheel, you need to do as the following steps. 1. Turn the robot around and face its back. Take off the bottom rod and the screws on the bottom shell. Take off the bottom rod. 2. Face its front side. Loosen the connecting cable between the bumper and the main board. Hold the bumper when released, and then gently shake the connector to remove the bumper with the other hand. 3. Take off the cover and take out the connector connecting the main board. Four. Remove the 3 screws facing the side wheel. Take out the connector connecting the side wheel and remove the side wheel. How to put it back? 1. Put the new wheel at the place of the old one. Be careful with the cable. Do not press it. 2. Tighten the 3 screws and connect the side wheel back to the main board. Three. Connect the connector on the cover to the cable end on the main board and install correctly. 4. Put back the bumper and connect the cable between the bumper and the main board. Press the bumper with your hands to make sure it springs back smoothly. 5. Face the back of the robot, tighten the 6 screws on the bottom rod and the replacement is finished. Finally, do not forget to check if the bumper springs back smoothly.